everyone, welcome back to Next Tricks. We're going to talk about the new EdrawMind version 12 Plus, a cool tool that helps you create mind maps, organize your ideas, and do much more. Whether you're a student or just someone who likes to plan things, EdrawMind makes it easier to work and think clearly. In this video, I'll explain what EdrawMind is, why you might want to use it, and what new features it has in version 12. We'll also take a closer look at its newest updates, like the improved layout and awesome AI tools. Let's get started. So what is EdrawMind? It's a program that helps you organize ideas by turning them into mind maps. A mind map is like a chart where you can connect ideas and thoughts, making it easier to understand and remember things. It's great for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to organize tasks, study, or plan projects. Why should you use EdrawMind? Because it helps you make sense of complicated information and share it with others in a simple, clear way. Whether you're organizing a project or brainstorming ideas, EdrawMind makes things easier. Now let's look at the homepage of EdrawMind. The layout has been completely improved, making it easy to search and use, and there are AI tool on the right side that has some super useful tools. In EdrawMind, you can use different layouts to arrange your mind maps however you like. You can combine multiple layouts to create all kinds of cool maps. It's really easy to switch layouts. Just add a part and change the layout from the panel on the right side. This helps you organize your mind maps in the way that works best for you. Now let's talk about the new Task Kanban feature. It lets you turn your mind maps into Kanban boards, which are like columns with cards. You can use this to manage tasks or organize a process. In Kanban mode, you can change card colors, set priorities, and track progress. Add images, tasks, links, and more to each card. Move the cards and columns by simply dragging and dropping them. EdrawMind also lets you turn your mind maps into slides with just few clicks. You can then download the slides and edit them as much as you want. Want it even faster? Use the AI-generated slides feature. Just type in a keyword and EdrawMind will create slides for you automatically. You can also import your files and the AI will help turn them into slides. Let me show you how easy it is. Click on the Convert to Slides button. Choose a template and watch the mind map turn into a slideshow. EdrawMind has a cool new way to present your mind maps called pitch mode. It makes your mind map look great during presentations with smooth animations and clear logic. You can also use the pyramid model to jump between different sections quickly. Now, let's talk about the AI image processing tools. These tools help you edit pictures easily. Here's what you can do. One-click smart cutout. Remove the background from any image with one click. Healing brush. Fix small problems in photos like scratches or marks. Photo enhancer. Make your pictures look sharper and clearer. Image SR. Super resolution. Make low-quality images look high quality by increasing their resolution. Image compressor. Make your images smaller in size without losing quality. Watermark remover. Remove unwanted watermarks from images. These tools are super easy to use and save a lot of time. This makes it simple to share your work with others no matter what format they need. And that's it for the new features in EdrawMind version 12. Whether you're planning a project, studying for school, or organizing ideas, EdrawMind has everything you need to get your work done faster and better. Make sure to try out the free trial and explore all the features yourself. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.